Derek Johnson from 10B of CCPLM School. Do you know the importance of July 27th? Every year on this day, the world celebrates World Nature Conservation Day. Nature is the mother of all. She is our companion since millions of years. Man gets all the things he needed for his life only from nature, even now when science and technology has grown to great heights. Nature is like a mother who protects crores of organisms living on the earth. It gives us the air which sustains our life. Since the birth of humans, we are consuming a large amount of resources, but in return we are destroying the forest which once fed us, polluting rivers which gave us life. We had consumed vast lands for buildings and factories. We are giving challenges to nature by cutting down trees and releasing poisonous gases which kill nature and man itself also. Many other organisms have become extinct due to man's interventions. Today's world is facing the biggest problem of global warming, which has a serious impact on our environment. These situations increase the risk of life on Earth of every organism. Although governments are employing various means to conserve nature, individuals must also come forward to contribute to nature conservation. Therefore, everyone must promote afforestation and decrease deforestation. We must stop the wastage of water and electricity. Not only this, we have to stop practices like hunting animals. If each one of us contributes their own bit, the difference will be tremendous for nature. It is difficult to imagine life on Earth with a spoiled nature. Only human beings with the power and ability can save nature in its beautiful forms. World Nature Conservation Day is a reminder for us to conserve nature. We can take an oath to start conserving nature, better late than never. Let's come together to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you.